Hello everyone, welcome to 12am coding. And today we are going to discuss a new question in our linked list series, which is printing the elements of linked list via iterative method. So in the last tutorial, we have already seen that we can create a linked list and we discussed the two methods, iterative and recursive approach. So in this particular tutorial, whatever linked list we have created, we will be printing it through iterative method, okay, by running the loop. So this particular linked list we are given, okay. In this, as we already discussed, our first this node will be head, and this particular element is known as node. The last node will be known as tail, and at the end we are having null. So the end node will be pointing to the null, and each and every node will be pointing to the adjacent nodes. Okay, the next node actually. Okay, so let us discuss how we can print this particular linked list. So if you think about the intuition, then what we can do, that we are having the linked list and we need to print the elements. We need to print elements until we get the null. Before null, we need to print each and everything. So we can traverse the linked list from here and we can reach till the end. And if we find the null, then we can break that, right? That iteration we can break. So what the pseudocode can be, let me write it. So if we are having the method, okay, insert, okay, insert into linked list, and we will be passing the beginning actually, the head of this particular linked list, or we'll be passing the linked list here. And what we can do in the first condition, if your node will be equals to null, it means you can return it. Okay, it means your linked list is empty, so you don't need to print anything. Else, what you will do, you will run a loop, and till when you need to run the loop? Till you reach the null. So your node not equals to null. Okay, you need to run the while loop. Okay, till your node not equals to null. And what you can do, you can just print your node dot data, whatever data you are having, and then just a space for good look and feel. Okay, and then after that, if you let's say in the beginning you will be here, then your node dot data will be printed, 12 will be printed. Now you need to move to the next node when it will come up again to the loop. So what you can do, you need to point your current node to the node dot next actually. Okay, and then you can close this particular loop. So what will happen? Let's say in the beginning, uh, let's say in the beginning, your first data we passed it as node is 12. So it will come here. It doesn't it is not null, so it will not go here. It will come into while loop. In this, node is not equals to null, so we are printing the node dot data, which is currently 12. So let's say this is your data and this is next. So in this particular case, what will happen? Your data got printed, your node dot next will be 18. So here we can write 18th node. Okay, then again it will go up, it will come, then 18 will be printed in the same way. Now 18th next is 82 node. Okay, then after that again it will come, 82 will print, then 34th node will be uh, coming, right, the next, and then 34 will be printed in this particular loop. Okay, and after the 34 we are pointing to the null actually, so here null will come. Okay, so simply this particular thing is happening, and as soon as we get the null, we will just close this loop, will come out, so we are not printing anything. So in this particular way we printed all the data. So let me show you through the code how you can do it. So in the last tutorial we already created this insert method with the recursive approach to enter all these elements into the linked list. Now what we'll do, we'll be creating one more method, print your linked list with node. We'll be getting the node here, and if in the beginning your node equals to null, then you will return it simply. Else what you will do, you will be running a while loop until your node not equals to null, and then you'll be printing node dot data as we already discussed with the space. And let me remove this new line from here because I want to print it in a series. And then node equals to node dot next. Okay, and then at the end let me print a new line. So this particular print linked list method, what we can do, We can call this operations class, then no, sorry, head we can pass into this one, and this method is into this class, so I just call the object and operations dot linked list. So if I run this particular code, then my linked list is getting printed 12, 18, 42, 87 with the iterative approach because we are doing the iteration. Okay, so let me show you by debugging it also. So if we come here, then our node is, then it is having the linked list 12, 18, 42, 87. Then as it is not null, it will be going into while loop. It is printing 12, then it will be printing 18, then it will be printing 42, then it will be printing 87, and now it became null. Your node came to the end, so it will come out and it will print your data. So yes guys, that's it for this particular tutorial. In the next tutorial, we will be seeing how we can print the linked list through recursive approach. So stay tuned. And if you like the video, definitely share it with your friends and hit the like button and subscribe the channel. So yeah, thank you. See you in the next tutorial.